This girl noticed her golden retriever holding a kitten in its mouth. No matter what she did, the dog wouldn't let go. At first she was really confused, until she saw the golden retriever feeding the kitten's milk. That's when she realized the truth. The dog had taken the kittens as her own babies. She was taking care of them like a real mom. Meanwhile, the mother cat didn't seem to care at all. Then one day the owner came home and saw something she could hardly believe. The golden retriever was nursing the kittens, and the mother cat was feeding the golden retriever's puppies. It was like they made a deal, swapped babies and took turns raising them. Such a heartwarming moment, but it